from Mummy.
Hi.
And
we are making unpoppable bubbles. Well, we're going to try to anyway.
And Miss Honey.
Georgie, can you get your tongue out of the golden syrup, please?
Sorry, I just love it.
Okay.
Okay, so
right.
we have some soap.
So we've got some washing up liquid. We've got some golden syrup, some water.
Oh, my hands are sticky.
And a clean container to
And
put the
some
solution in. A spoon. And I couldn't find any bubble ones, so I just found something in the cupboard that we can use to blow the bubbles. Okay, so what we start off with is some water. So we're going to pop some water in the bowls. Go on then, girls. Oh, well done.
Like all of it.
Just a little bit.
Is that enough?
That should be a bit more, Chloe. Georgie, that's enough for you. And Chloe, just pop a bit more in.
Okay, so
That's it, yeah, perfect.
Oh my gosh! Next we're gonna add the oil.
Oh, next we're going to add some washing up liquid. So
I think you need 2 drops.
let's just see. Let's see. Right. I'll tell you when. Yep, that's enough. Well done.
I know when to stop. And next we're doing
Georgie,
the chocolate.
you've done that, okay. Yep, so we'll just wait and we'll let Chloe just put the washing up liquid in. That's enough, I would say, Chloe. Perfect.
Now, honey.
Now this is the messy stuff.
I know, and I got some on my finger.
So, some golden syrup.
And then we'll show. Honey, well.
Are you going to turn into unpoppable bubble, are you?
Okay, oh my god. Yeah, I love honey.
You might just blow away, George. Okay,
Oh
so just get a spoonful.
Oh my god.
That should be,
Okay.
I thought we was going to do unpoppable bubbles.
Okay. Oh my god.
Right then.
I got some in my mouth.
You're going to be lovely and sticky.
Oh boy.
Right,
What is the
so
box?
now we're going to pop some
I have
golden
enough.
syrup into the bowl, Georgie.
Okay. I don't know why
And we're going to stir it. Can you stir it all together now?
Oh, it looks like it's actually turning into this.
Oh, right, so stir it nicely.
I'm scared.
So Georgie's just shoveling it in now. So no more syrup for Georgie. No, I wouldn't really eat that because it's got washing up liquid in.
Sorry.
Would be a good idea, unless you want to be farting bubbles.
It's not actually working. I need 2 bubbles.
Right, so
Mine is
stir
not
it
actually
nicely.
working.
Stir it nicely
I
now,
don't know
girls.
if it's actually working. Oh my god.
Okay.
I don't know if it's gonna work. Guys, look. It looks like that we're actually making honey.
Yeah.
I wonder
Right, so give
what
it a
kind
good
of-
stir.
I think mine is almost
Give it a
done.
good stir. No, we're going to pack
I
that
think
away
I
now,
need some more
Georgie.
syrup.
And
Because
you're going to stir your solution.
mine is not very good.
No, give it a good stir.
Actually,
Okay, keep stirring, keep stirring.
and then
No,
it's turning
no
in
more water,
bubbles.
Georgie. I think that'll be enough.
Oh yeah, because you get little drink.
No. Well, unless you want it.
Well, I did. That was good.
Okay, so that was just water Georgie was drinking. So, no, Georgie, no, that would be a good idea.
There's soap turning out.
Okay.
I think
Right,
I put too much
so-
soap in.
Oh! Oh, really? So I think we should put a little bit more golden syrup in.
Yeah, because mine is
Because
not
yours
very
doesn't seem to be
working.
working, does it? So we'll pop a little bit more.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh my gosh.
Should I nip it off? No. I
We see how that turned out earlier, didn't we?
Oh, yeah, that's working a bit.
Yeah. So you just concentrate on your bubbles, Georgie. Georgie? Oh, lovely. Let's see if Georgie can catch it. Ready? Ready, Georgie? Are you okay?
Oh my
ready? Get your glove ready. Oh. Georgie's only got 3 fingers. I'm sure she just had 5 on that hand just now.
The bubble.
Oh yeah, we're back to 5.
Okay, ready?
Oh.
Okay, I think I need a bit more syrup.
Should we add a bit more syrup in yours, George?
Yeah, because it looks like syrup.
Oh, catch it, Georgie.
Dad, I only want to
Just add a bit more.
I need a bit more.
Let's see if that's enough. Give it a good stir. Give it a good
I
stir
got
first.
honey, I got honey.
Yeah, I wouldn't lick it though because it's got washing out liquid, remember? So give it a good stir.
Guys, it just made its own pop.
Oh! Made its own little bubble there.
Guys, look.
And try and catch it.
Guys, I got the
Whoa!
I got the honey.
Okay, give it a good stir, George.
Oh my god, the honey's in there. I wish I could drink. But how many more honeys?
You've got quite a lot of honey left.
Because you know. Oh!
Wow! Right, let's see if we can catch a bubble now. Oh! Whoa!
Oh my god. Okay, now go.
You're going to blow it and catch it with your other glove, Georgie. With your other hand. Ready? Blow it. Whoa! Wow! Georgie's made her first unpoppable bubble.
Bye, Bubble. See you tomorrow. Okay, my turn.
Wow. Why don't we try and make one and then play catch with it?
Yeah, that's climbing.
Ooh. Now throw it to Chloe.
Throw it to me. Throw it to me.
Get ready to catch it, Chloe. Well done. Ready? Throw it to Chloe. Go on.
My baby.
Oh!
I made it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna blow up. So should I play one in your hand?
How about I blow a bubble for you and you get ready to catch this unpoppable.
I think I. That was just a poodle.
So I'm going to pass you this bubble.
Oh.
It burst in my eye.
Olaf!
Camera.
Guys, this is Olaf. Olaf. Oops! His body fell apart. And his head. I can't wait to eat honey.
Let's do one more bubble and then we'll end the vlog.
Yeah, and say thanks.
Ready?
Anyway, don't forget to click the button down below. And click and subscribe. Oh my god.
Oh, nearly. Make sure you like the video, guys.
And
Unless you didn't like the video.
Guys!
Feeling. Ready? Catch it, Chloe.
I've lost something on my nose. to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.